You know what I said?
Oh. How about these fries? So we have Trader Joe's Herbs de Provence Potato Wedges. Not fries. Let's look at the air fryer directions. One single layer, 400 for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, we can do that.
Hey, Daddy, the last crab night when we did the snowman in the boxes, and there was a transforming box.
Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh, let's get this started. Ooh, it's sizzling. Oh, should be almost done. Smells delicious. Woohoo! Let's try it. Good. Thanks for joining us today in making these fries. Please like, subscribe, comment, have a good one. By the way, we are not sponsored by Planet Toys Utah, but Johnny Utah, as we lovingly call him, is the owner of a store called Planet Toys Utah. We'd like you to know about it. And if you would like, purchase from there. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
PlanetToysUtah.com